thoughts on this place?
I love it. It's perfect. And I think it's surreal. And I can't really believe that it's actually happening because my dad's been talking about this for as long as I can remember. And we're actually here and he actually has a boat. And I just couldn't be happier for him.
How would you describe this place?
Beautiful. Oh. Magical.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem real.
What's your favorite thing about the boat?
That it's my dad's. I don't know. I think it's super cozy and homey, and it just fits him. And it's in fantastic shape. It's very functional. And super cute, and I love it.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna walk into Captain Don Julio's new awesome boat. If I can get up these steps. Got this nice little walkway into a skinny little door. Better not be fat. Do not make fun of the boat.
So it's pretty cold out?
It's a little chilly.
The greenhouse up there is pretty lovely.
Yeah, this feels nice.
All right, well, under the category of things in your life that you weren't really 100% sure you were going to be able to make come true, this one for me has finally come true. And here I sit on the boat known as Northwind, which is now my boat. And we're in our slip here at Shoal Marina. And it's been an interesting weekend. So we flew up on Friday night, and the owner had overnighted, or the title company had overnighted me the keys and so forth. So we got on the boat. Everything's been fine. We've spent this first weekend just kind of as a reconnaissance trip, I'd call it. So what we've done is we've cleaned out the stuff that we know we don't want to keep, kind of some of the old owners' knickknacks and artwork and whatnot, and have started kind of making this my own boat. So we have a list of stuff that we'll be bringing back. I'll be kind of taking another pass at this. The next trip up I'll drive up. This one we just flew up and we're flying home today, but I will drive up next time so I can bring the dog and more stuff. So I'll give you just a little quick glance around the marina here, just at some of the, that's the bulk of the marina out that direction, and it's huge up here. It's a very big marina. And we're at the end of this A dock here, right across from the breakwater, and we got a lot of seals over there today. There's a guy going out on a little trimaran, and a little bit ago a guy went by on an older kind of classic little single person kind of sailboat. But yeah, it's turned out to be an absolutely gorgeous day up here, and I don't really want to go back to Salt Lake, but I will. I'll fly back tonight, and then the next time up I'll drive up, and I'll be bringing, you know, kind of essential stuff to spend the first couple of weeks up here getting connectivity figured out so I can work remote. And then my plan initially is 2 weeks here, 2 weeks back in Salt Lake. So yeah, we're on the boat. Everything went well. We got it all done. It's turned out to be a lovely weekend. And man, like I said, the new chapter of my life has opened up for sure, and we're moving on. So when next you see me, I think we'll probably be figuring out how it's going to work with the dog. The neighbors, 2 boats to the north of me, have 2 dogs and same size as Lilu, so that makes me pretty confident that we can work this all out. And it's a dog friendly place. We've met the gal from that boat and she said, yeah, it's really dog friendly marina, everyone's got dogs, so it should be all right. I'm sure she'll adapt. And yeah, so there we are. We made it. We got it. It's all done. Nothing went wrong. Everything came off without a hitch. And I'm looking forward to making this my own place. Doing a little cleanup, touch up. Like, you know, we found it, one of the doors down into the cabin, the knob's kind of all loose and worn out, but the old owner had already bought replacements and left them on the boat here, so I'm probably that'll be one of the first little to-do things I do, is fix up the door. We've had a couple little issues down inside, but for the most part nothing major, and everything is coming together quite well. So I'll wrap this for now, and you may see more of me today, or you may not. You may see us next week when we're coming up here to spend a really long, you know, period of time on the boat. So there you go. I'm a happy camper.